This tutorial guides you through adding instructors in the HEMSP Student Portal. You will learn how to navigate the portal and complete the instructor addition process step by step. Click the SIS menu to begin the instructor addition process. Click the Instructors tab to view and manage instructor records. Click the Actions menu to access instructor management options. Click Create New Instructor to start adding a new instructor profile. Add the instructor details such as first name, last name, email, and phone, and then assign a campus to the instructor. Assign a course or courses to the instructor. Click Finish to finalize the instructor creation process. Click the name of the instructor to access the instructor's profile. Click Actions to access additional options for the instructor profile such as Edit, Impersonate, or Delete. You have successfully added a new instructor in the HEMSP Student Portal by navigating through the menus and completing the profile setup.